pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ang pagpaalala ko sa'yo, ang ating kahapon, ibig laging sa'yo.
Oh, grabe naman yan.
Kahit maputi na
Kahit
mabuti, kahit maputi na buhok ka. Yeah!
Thank you so much sa inyo. Ay, mag-election. Ano pa?
Post Malone.
Sige, mag-election agad tayo.
Isip tayo.
So guys, for our next song for tonight, this song is by Adam Sandler. And this song is called Girl Will Be Girl.
Grow old with
Version
you.
nung ano, kahit maputi na ang buhok. Grow old with you.
I wanna make you smile whenever you sing. Carry on your troubles, sister. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when you're telling built to find the furnace breaks cold. It could be so nice. All with you. Kung gusto sabay sa mga kawiman, I give you my call where you are called. Even let you hold the
Remote control.
So let me do this, and I get you to sing. Put your bed on your head, so much to do. I could be your man who goes home with you. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin kita pag nirayuma ka na. Kay sarap isipin
Kasama kang tumanda.
Ibibili ng balot pag mahina ang tuhod. Kukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. O kay sarap isipin pagkasama ka.
Gumura. Kay sarap isipin nga makang gumura.
And that was the only J.B. Adam Sandler. Guys, I feel like this. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Again guys, I also want to request sa mga baka mga favorite song po tayo dyan na gustong ipaawit sa atin, and I will share this